You deserve to treat yourself okay, and summer's on the way. So if you've been considering getting a glueless wig, here's your sign to get it. Hey y'all, I'm back with another wig review and unboxing, so let's jump right into it. Today I am working with UNiCE, and they sent me their Bye Bye Knot 7x5 pre-cut lace front glueless wig, and this is the black cherry layered wig in the texture straight. I don't know how many inches this is, but this looks longer than 24 inches to me. So this says that this is a 24-inch wig, 7x5. This is the color of it, y'all. This color is really pretty. It's like a purplish red to me, like a burgundy, but leaning towards more so purple. So that's what it looks like. The texture is straight. It just really looks a lot longer than 24 inches. By all means, I'm not complaining about that. Like, yeah, give me all the inches, but when did 24 inches start looking like this? Or have all the 24-inch wigs I've gotten in the past not have been 24 inches? And this is a true 24 inches, because this, you still can't see all of this. It's literally going to my hip. It is pre-plucked, okay, pre-cut. I'm not gonna do any bleaching on this because I know sometimes when you try to bleach colored units, the dye can like stain the lace, or like the dye can seep out the lace. Like it can kind of get messy if you're trying to bleach colored knots. So I'm gonna leave them the way they are and just apply makeup to my lace. And I'm gonna install this, and yeah, y'all don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. BRB. So jumping right into the install, y'all, I put the wig on straight onto my head right out the box. I didn't do any washing, bleaching, conditioning, plucking, or any of that. I put it on right out the box. Then I took my bio silk and I'm putting this all over my hair so that I can get ready to curl this hair up. And side note, let me just say, y'all, this hair is super full. Like, the hair just feels very, very thick. So yeah, I just had to throw that in there, that the hair is just like very thick. So I started by sectioning my closer in sections, taking my wax stick and my hot comb and flattening out the top of this wig, even though this wig was already very flat. So if you choose to do so, you can skip this step because it's not necessary. But I like my wigs to be super, super duper flat, like super flat. So once my wig is super duper flat the way I like it, I part out my baby hairs, and then I hot comb my baby hairs flat. And I do like quite a few baby hairs, so I do part out quite a few, but it's up to you how much you would like to part out. And then I take my eyebrow razor, a fresh eyebrow razor, and cut my edges pretty short. And then I'm also taking my eyebrow razor and giving my hairline a little bit of personality, because I don't like my hairline to be straight across. Even though the lace is sometimes cut like in a zigzag motion, it still looks a little bit like straight across. So I do like to give mine a little bit of a widow's peak, or just some kind of shape and personality to it, so it looks a little bit more natural and not wiggy. And then I curled up my baby hairs with my mini flat iron, and then I'm just laying them down with a little bit of Got to Be Glued and my eyebrow brush. So once I have my edges done and my lace laid down, I'm now going to start layering and curling my hair. And I'm just taking my eyebrow razor again and cutting some layers into the front of this wig. I kind of just eyeball it, you guys. I'm no licensed professional. I just do what looks good and what works for me. And this is what works for me. So eyebrow razor, and then I take it again, layer it this way, and it just turns out looking so good to me. I do this every time and it works for me. I love this look. And then I do the exact same thing to the other side, and I kind of line up my hair and make sure that it's the same length on both sides, the left and the right. And that is just how I layer my wigs and cut them perfectly. So now I'm taking my barrel curler and curling up my hair. And honestly, you guys, I wish I could tell y'all the inch of this barrel, but I do not know the inch of this barrel. I know that this is definitely bigger than 1 inch. I think it might be 1 inch and a fourth, but I will have to go look in my orders, my Amazon orders, and look and see how big this is. I think this one is on my Amazon storefront. If y'all want to check out my Amazon storefront and go to the link where I have the products that I use, it should be on there because I just cannot remember the size of this barrel for the life of me right now. But yeah, barrel curling this whole head, and yeah. For this look, I did want looser curls, which is why I went with this one. That's a little bigger. And yeah, y'all, I did keep on burning myself because these things get really hot. Like, they get really hot. And every time the hair fell on me, like, it was burning my shoulder, burning my hand. But yeah, y'all. So once I finished curling my hair, I did spray some hairspray on my hair to help hold the curls. They did end up falling. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it was hot in my room or the steam in my room. I don't know, but the curls did kind of fall quite a bit. But, you know, it's okay because this look still turned out really cute, and I didn't want a loose curl. So I was okay with how loose these curls were. This right here is pretty much the final look of the hair. I just had the clips in the front of my hair because I did want my bangs to fall into my place, so that is why the clips were there. But yeah, y'all, this is how the hair turned out. This is how the loose curls look. And I actually, looking back at this, loved the way these loose curls looked. Like, this was actually the look I was going for. I don't know why when I was doing my hair, I was like, the curls are not turning out how I want. They're too loose, and I was just feeling like it was a disaster, like not looking cute. But looking back at this is so freaking cute. Like, what was I talking about? So yeah, and at first I was very hesitant about this color, but this black cherry, dark cherry, is actually really freaking cute. And if I'm gonna do a red color, I want it to be like a darker red, not super like bright, like a darker red. So this is actually really cute. I love this color. I love the length. I love the lace. I love that it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that. Y'all know I just love UNice on Amazon really bad. So yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Of course, if you guys want to shop this unit, it is linked on my Amazon storefront in my bio. So definitely go check that out and go get this unit. Treat yourself, girl, because you deserve it. You deserve for your hair to look bomb. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. I love y'all so much. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.